That's all I hear.
Previously complete. All clear means you're out of here. If you're ready to ride, say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
She echoed. Already come back across the parking lot.
Oh no.
I just realized this is like Gold Rusher. It's the other Gold Rusher. But this one goes a little more upside down.
It'll last longer. And then there's the sky. And then we start going backwards. Still screaming over there.
Girl, it's over. Oh, excuse me, sir. All right.
There's a dragon on here.
Please stop me and book your seatbelts. Once again, once the ride comes to a full, please stop me and book your seatbelt. Grab all the articles, make your way to the exit quickly. Have a successful day. Check out my friends at Superman.
I might just take you up on that. Yeah, that was a perfect ride.
Yeah, that was another A-mode ride for sure.
So my guests on board, you may now book your seatbelts. Once again, to my guests on board, you may now book your seatbelts.
Literally,
The parking lot was
like, hey, I'm like, oh my god. I should not be able to see that from this ride.